Wait. I'm happy. This one.
Oh, this one. Okay. It's your car, right?
I like it. The driving is very easy.
Welcome to Unboxing China. I'm Nancy. Today with a group of foreign friends. I'm in Liuzhou in Guangxi, and we will unbox something really special. They are the made in China new energy vehicles. Our journey begins at the factory of SAIC-GM-Wuling, a major Chinese automobile manufacturer. Inside the highly intelligent factory, traditional assembly lines are a thing of the past. Instead, we can see what they call Allen-type assembly here. Over 250 mobile robots are helping to assemble around 600 cars a day.
Okay, it was funny. Little game. I was in this factory in Czech Republic, but it was before 20 years, so I can see how big progress is now.
So do you look forward to the test driving?
Yeah, of course.
Although I don't yet have a driver's license, I'm joining my friends in the passenger seat as they take some of SAIC-GM-Wuling star models for a test drive.
Okay, let's go.
Sorry,
I know what I'm doing.
I feel like we're drift.
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit.
You don't like it? I thought before that the electric cars haven't so much power, but now I feel the power and I really like it.
The driving is very comfortable.
Yes.
Not heavy. Oh, the car is good. This one. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah. The driving is very easy.
How do you feel?
Very comfortable. I can drive it and take to my country with great pleasure.
In our country, we don't have electromobiles, and everybody is interested. I have received a lot of comments. They are interested about the prices. Maybe we would have some connection, and it's great opportunity to spread information. It's very interesting for us.